Blitzkrieg. And the race is on, dazzling cat from the outside four bells, and under further outside the favorite Blitzkrieg, alongside Fearless, under further outside Stratosphere, down on the inside Tora Sura, alam mo na yan, is running by the rail, and moving up from the outside is Federal Court, Maricors, Chancer, Benjo, Silver Chochan, Detective Daryl is the early trailer as they round the 3/4 mile distance. Dazzling cat by an and a half. Tora Sura. Four bells from the outside the stratosphere. In the middle, Blitzkrieg. Alongside Fearless. Alam mo na yan is racing by the Real Federal Court, Maricors, Chancer, Benjo, Silver Chocho, and long way back to Detective Darin. Bunch of forces firing up for the lead. Stratosphere from the outside, Fearless. Blitzkrieg down on the inside, Tora Sura, Dazzling Cat, rounding the far turn, four runners fighting it up for the lead. And on the outside is Blitzkrieg, Dazzling Cat, Fearless in the middle, Stratosphere, and Tora Sura, racing the last 450, Blitzkrieg, and by the Dazzling Cat, Fearless on the outside, Stratosphere, racing towards the final turn, and into the long Santana stretch run. Dazzling Cat, Fearless from the outside, Blitzkrieg in the middle, and nearing the last 200, Blitzkrieg, Fearless, down on the inside, Dazzling Cat, Stratosphere, alam mo na yan, sneaking by the Tora Sura, Blitzkrieg, Fearless, fighting it up for the lead, Fearless, Blitzkrieg, Blitzkrieg, Fearless, Blitzkrieg, Fearless, and finally it's going to close. Blitzkrieg and Fearless. Dazzling Cat took third, number 13 Stratosphere, and for your Pentafecta, alam mo na yan.